Everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. Put up some bird houses. Hopefully I can keep some of these nice birds around the garden that eat grasshoppers. Had a few of them nest here this last year, and they help a lot. The wind's starting to pick up, but it's like 80 degrees out here and it's November, which means I still have a lot of tomatoes. What else do we got? This didn't work so well. This is broccoli and cabbage and turnips and stuff. When we got that 2.5 inches of rain in August, it sprouted up, but I'm trying not to water this one right now. I put a soaker hose on it for a little while, but we'll have to wait and see if it does any better once winter gets here, if winter actually is gonna get here. But I got a birdhouse here, and I got one on this corner, smaller one that I built. Nobody wanted to buy these, so I put them in my garden. Then there's one on that corner and another big one on that corner. So see if I can get some garden guardians on here. Got lots of okra coming up still. I've been working so much off the ranch, I haven't harvested a ton, but I got a bunch of chopped up stuff in the freezer, and I made a bunch of pickled okra before, but I don't have time to make pickled okra. So I'm looking for someone, because this is the not so lonely homestead anymore. We got a female here. Loose! Where's Lucy? She's hiding. Oh well, we'll go back to the garden. Lucy! So, it's November up here, and I got tons of tomatoes still. I mean, tons. There's some in there, there's some in there, there's some in there. I just harvested 3 cabbages and made a gallon of sauerkraut. Tomatoes, tomatoes, tomatoes. Lots of green ones, some yellow ones over there. Cauliflower is starting to boom. Got heads coming up all over the place. So might be some cheesy cauliflower soup coming real soon. We got all this. And this is after I just processed 22 pounds of tomatoes. So I got another 40 pounds left. We did have a cold spell, and looks to me like it affected the eggplant. It's not doing so well. We got a few on here still. You see, like that one turned totally yellow. But that was it. 1 week of cold, and now it's almost 80 out here right now. So I hear Skit barking like crazy, so that probably means Lucy's pestering him. We can go see. Mulberries are dying off. I hope they're supposed to do that. But look, I still got tomatoes over here. I still got tomatoes. And I harvested like half a freezer bag of these huckleberries. See how they do. Loose! Skit! come here. Lucy, come here. Come here. She don't want to come out. There's Skit. Come on, Skit. Good boy. Skit's scared to death of her. Lucy, come here. Come here. I don't know what she's eating, but the house is a mess. Sorry. Oh, she's eating wood. Are you eating wood, little one? Sorry about that. Got caught up. Why are you eating wood? This is Lucy. Hi, Lucy. You gonna say hi? Yeah? You like being on camera? Yes, you do. All right, let's go back out. Everyone get outside. I got a vacuum. I was waiting for my power to get boosted. And then I'm gonna vacuum. 3 dogs now, man, they're shedding like crazy. The tomato tunnel's about had it, but there's still a lot of tomatoes getting ripe in here. So, not too bad. Probably process these too. Thinking about freezing a bunch. Look, they're just falling off the vine here. That one's ripe. But thinking about processing all these too, and then just canning some stuff. Got a bunch of bell peppers coming in, which is still awesome. That's how hot it is. Peppers are still growing. See that? And then look at all these. We got jalapenos all over the doggone place. Oh yeah. And one thing I forgot to show you is yesterday I harvested about 30 pounds of tomatillos. So gotta get some onions and cilantro, and I got plenty of garlic from the garden, and I got cilantro up here growing. So gotta get that and make some salsa verde. But so this is what's going on with the garden. It's dwindling down. I let this bok choy go too long, so I think some of it'll, well, they don't look too bad under there. Take off some of the bad leaves, see if there's a good thing in there. That one's sprouting. It's gonna, maybe I'll get some seed, let it go and get some seed. But my Cherokee purples have about had it, which sucks because this is my favorite tomato. Some of these are ripe. They're ready to harvest. But we're not getting any more. I topped all these plants, so they're all topped off so they would start making their fruit ripe. That's right. That's right. That's right. These are the start rollies, something like that. They're kind of sweeter. They're okay. But time to make some spaghetti sauce. Basil's not looking good, but the bees still love it, of course. Well, that's about it for the garden update. Not much going on except me working all the time. A little busy. Let's see if we can get Luce on camera again. Hey Luce, what are you doing? Luce likes to eat tomatoes. You like to eat tomatoes, don't you? But you shouldn't. That one's for me. Can I have that tomato? Huh, Luce? Huh, Luce? All right, Luce. All right, Luce. Lucy! Luce! Lucy! You're a redhead like Lucille Ball, right? Lucy! Luce! Luce! What are you doing? Where's your toy? Get your toy. Get your toy. Ready? Oh. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl. All right, Lucy. Say goodbye to everybody. Say adios. Adios and God bless.